Welcome to this Nespresso assistance video on directions for use for your Inissia machine. Before the very first use when you buy your Inissia machine, we suggest you follow some simple instructions. To start, thoroughly rinse out the water tank. Before filling it with fresh water. Place a container holding up to 1 litre under the coffee outlet. Plug into mains. Turn on your machine and wait till the buttons stop blinking. Then press the lungo button to rinse the machine. Repeat this operation 3 times. Your Inissia machine is now ready. You can now enjoy our range of Grand Cru specifically designed to optimize the extraction quality of your machine and guarantee the ultimate Nespresso coffee quality, cup after cup.